Hey guys, so this year online school for the kids through Wolsey has given us the opportunity as a family to travel Europe, and it's also made time available for us as parents to spend with our kids, and that above all is most important.
Homeschooling has given us the freedom to travel around Europe this past year. It's allowed us to make new friends wherever we go and to experience new cultures.
Homeschooling has given me the freedom to spend much more time outside and also with the new friends I've made along the journey.
Homeschooling has given me the freedom to find out what I enjoy.
Homeschooling has allowed me to manage my own time. I can work when I want to, I can relax when I need to, and I can spend more time with my family.
The homeschool has given me the time to do things that I really enjoy, like drawing and all sorts of arts.
Homeschooling has given me the time to read more books.
Over the last year, homeschooling has taught me to be more independent and to take control of my own education.
This year, homeschooling's taught me that I don't need to be in school to learn new things or to excel in any of the other subjects. It's just as easy to do from home, probably much easier.
Homeschooling's taught me that if I focus, I can accomplish a lot.
So everyone, we're almost at the end of our first year of homeschooling, and what have I learned as a parent? I've learned a lot more about my children's education. Both Warren and I are much more involved these days. We know what they're learning, we're there to give them a hand when they need it, and we've also got to see firsthand what really interests them, what excites them. Another thing I love about homeschooling is the fact that over the last year the kids have grown and matured in ways I never thought possible. They've become independent learners, they've learned to manage their time effectively, we've got to bring learning to life. We've visited historical landmarks, the kids have applied their learning to everyday life, and we see this more and more because we're with them every day. And lastly, I love the freedom that homeschooling has given us as a family. We've spent almost a year traveling Europe. We've met people from different walks of life, different cultures. We've experienced things that you only dream of doing, and we've done it as a family.